Hi there, today we are going to learn how to configure your webmail account with Gmail. It's your host Shravan, and without further ado, let's get started. So to get started, log into your Gmail account on which you want to configure your business webmail account. And go to the new tab and open your webmail, which will be always webmail.yourdomain.com or yourdomain.com/webmail. Hit enter and use your respective credentials in order to log into your webmail account. Once logged in, it will look like this. And then go back to your Gmail settings and click this settings cogwheel and click see all settings. Head over to accounts and import. And in order to send email as from your webmail account, click add another email address. So here is the name which will be seen when you will be replying through your emails, and your email address is your name at domain.com, and click next. SMTP server will be always mail.yourdomain.com, and username will be always your whole email. That is it. And this password will be the same as the password you have used to log into your webmail account. Rest all settings will be like this. You can select another port if you are not able to add your account. However, 587 will do. And make sure that you have selected TLS, which is recommended. Just click add account. And there will be a confirmation code sent by Gmail team to your webmail account to verify the ownership. So just to go to your webmail account and hit refresh. Now here is the confirmation from Gmail. Copy those confirmation codes and paste it to the confirmation code screen. Once you hit the verify option, it will be automatically added to your Gmail account. Now whenever you were going to click this compose option on Gmail, you will be able to send email as the domain or your business account. Now as we have set the send as email option, we have to now check the email from the webmail account. That is, we want all the emails coming to webmail to your Gmail account. So for that, just click check email from another account and paste your email address there. Select import emails from my other account, POP3, and click next. And like we did already, copy your username, which will be the whole email address, and the password is the same as you have used in the webmail account. So POP server will be mail.yourdomain.com, and you can check this if you want to leave a copy of your email on your webmail as well as on the Gmail. If you uncheck this, all the emails will be coming to your Gmail itself. It won't be go to your webmail account. Clicking label incoming messages will be easy to find your email under one folder. So for this demonstration purpose, let me name it as WPB. And that's pretty much of it. You can now simply click add account. Now you have successfully added your email or the POP3, which stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. Now it will going to check emails, and now you can see that it has fetched 2 emails from our webmail account. And let's go to your home screen and see and let's check the inbox. Yes, we can see that 2 of the emails has been now fetched from your Webmail account. And also there is a folder on the left panel named WPB, where your all emails coming through the self-hosted email or the business email will be shown. I hope you found what you were looking for. If you find this tutorial useful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also do subscribe for future upcoming videos just like this. So have a great day. Goodbye. Peace.